What's going on, guys? It's Amari James here, and today I'm going to be doing a video on how to do a glitch effect on Premiere Pro. And this is going to be on a new series of 5-Minute Fridays. It's going to be a little twist on Peter McKinnon's 2 Minutes Tuesday. Hopefully I can kind of stay on track to 5 minutes. So yeah, enough talking and let's get into this tutorial. So as you can see, I've got this video. This video is from Pexel Videos, and they do I think 4K and 1080p free videos for you to download. So their link will be down in the description. And yeah, once you've got your actual clip, you just want to find the best bit on it. So let's just scrub through. I'll say, let's see this. Yeah, that bit looks kind of good. So you just want to zoom in. Once you zoom in, you just want to get the blade tool and just want to cut out some frames. So let's zoom in a little bit more. So once you do that, just want to cut up around, like, let's say 20 frames at least. So I think there's a faster way of doing this, but this is the way how I know how to do it. So if you guys know a faster way how to cut up frames, just comment. So I've cut out all the frames what I want for this effect, and once you do that, you just want to first let's unlink the audio because I don't want the audio in this. So let's just now once you've deleted the audio, you just want to go into where your clips are. So let's just do this. And every other clip you want to delete it. So for this first clip, I just want to delete and then go to the next clip, delete, and you just want to do this till you got your remaining clips. Okay, now once you've got all your clips cut up, you just want to duplicate them. So let's just hold Alt and you just want to drag them up, or a faster way, you just want to select all of them and just hold Alt and just drag up. Once you do that, you just want to go to the effects control, and for this I would like to add a arithmetic, I think it's called. Yeah, you just want to add an arithmetic effect on it. So you just go to your effects panel, just drag and drop that, select all of them. And once you do that, just go back to your effects controls and click every individual clip because you can't do can't do all the clips. Once you do that, you just want to go to where the effect is, where it has this little drop down door. Just want to go to max, and then it has all these different color channels. So you can have red value, green value, or blue value. First clip, I'm just going to turn the red value all the way up so it has the red bit of the RGB split effect. Now you just want to change the position, so I can just drag this to around 800, bring this up. You can change the scale, but I like to keep the scale simple and normal. Just go to the opacity. You want to try bring it down to around 50%. So let's just do 50% for all of them. So you just want to copy this effect with all 3 different colors, and you want to just repeat that. Now, once you've done that, just remember to change all the effects to max. Now, once you've done that, it should look like this. So you see how it has that fast, glitchy effect. So that looks really good. So as you can see, frame by frame, just goes on, off, it just changes. Okay, so once you do that, you just want to go back to your library where you keep your but you keep your medium in. So you just want to get a glitch audio effect. I just got this one off of YouTube, and now you just want to trim it down to size. So let's just trim that down and then just delete this. And once you got that, just want to line it up correctly. Just make everything fit. And yeah, that's basically how you do the RGB effect. So yeah, if you want to change the audio clip to make it sound more dramatic or a little bit faster, just want to go to speed duration and let's change it to 120% more speed. So it should be shorter, but it gives it more of a swift effect. So see how it's faster and it seems like it's more crackly. So that's how you do the glitch effect in Premiere Pro, and hopefully you do like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and please share to your friends. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.